Hello, I'm really excited to do another tutorial video for you regarding the Avonni Flow Screens component library. And this time I'm going to show you how to build this nice looking custom component that is basically it's a YouTube playlist component. It's a flow using Flow Builder and the Avonni Flow Screens component library. So on this flow, that's fully functional. I'm using here on the left side the Avonni list component to display a list of videos coming from a custom object. And then on the right side, I'm using here first the Avonni illustration to display an illustration because there is no video selected. But I mean, I can select a video and it will automatically display the video using the Avonni video player, and I can watch this video very easily. The same way I can change the video to watch this video right from there. So how I build that inside Flow Builder? I will show you that in few seconds. First, let me show you my custom object. It's video library. That's my custom object with video information. Pretty basic. Video title field, description field, YouTube ID, thumbnail. That's it. So now let's build that in Flow Builder in 5 minutes. Let's do that. Let's create our flow, our new flow, screen flow. First step here, add a get record element to fetch my custom object information to make them available from my flow. So get videos. Let's link that to the custom object. I don't need to filter any or to set any condition. I really want to display all the videos from my custom object, all records. Done. Next, let's add a screen element. First, enter a label. If you remember this example, it's like a custom component. I don't need the header, I don't need the footer. First step, drag this section element to create basically two sections on my component, because we have on the left the Avonni list, and on the right we will have the Avonni video player. Add column, let's set the size, and now from there I can drag the list. Let's configure the Avonni list. Pretty easy. Open component builder. First thing I need to do is really to link for the list my data source. So here I will use variable because I want to use my get records collection created previously. Select a resource, get videos, and now all I need to do is do the mapping, field mapping. For the label, I'd like to display the video title field, description field, image, thumbnail, and then for the name, I don't want to use this field. Instead, I want to use the name. So basically the name is my unique ID for the list. And for that, I want to use the YouTube ID I'm adding on my custom field. Pretty much done. One last step, maybe we can configure a double click for each item. So each item from the list will be clickable. And finally, we can go on style. We can adjust the styling. So let's say item, header, we can say, okay, font size 18. Wait, let's say bold. The same for the description. The style, perfect. We can do another settings from properties, divider. Let's set to bottom. So we have like this little bottom border. Pretty much done. I just set up the list to display all the video information based on the custom object using the data source get records element. Next, let's configure the right panel. First, I need to drag the Avonni illustration. Let's configure the illustration, pretty easy. Illustration. Open component builder. No. Okay, done. Now I want the illustration to be displayed only if no item from the list are selected. So for that, I need to use reactive screens, and I need to set the component visibility, set a condition from the list, click item name is null, true. Perfect. Next, I can drag the Avonni video player, but before that, I need to create a formula resource. Why? Because I want to store dynamically the whole YouTube link. So let's do that right there. New resource, formula. Let's name it YouTube link. Okay, text. So from here, all I need to do is copy this. And then, so that's the link from YouTube. And here I just need to hide dynamically the unique video ID I just added from my record. So here, resource, list, click item name. Okay, perfect, done. So now I can go back to my screen element, and from there, we can drag the video player, Avonni video player. So video player. Let's open the component builder. Source. I don't want to select a video manually. It's dynamic. So for that, I need to map the source to a specific value. Map, and then map that to my formula resource. We can say, okay, autoplay. We can even go on style to set a minimum height. And one last step, configure the set component visibility. Display only the video player when from the list, click item name is null, false, meaning that the video player will only be displayed if I'm selecting an item from the list. Done. Now we can save the flow. Save. And then we can activate that flow. One last step now, we need to add this flow on the page. And for that, that's easy. From the home page or from any record page. Let's go and set up edit page to open Lightning App Builder. Drag the flow. And here, let's select the flow. Avonni video player demo, save, and let's see the result live. Perfect. I have the list with all the videos coming from my custom object. And if I'm selecting a video, autoplay is running. It's running really fine. Changing a video, working fine as well. So that's really one of the few examples you can build using the Avonni Flow Screens component library. 60 plus UI component. As you can see here, there is a lot of examples you can build. So if you have any question, if you're stuck somewhere, leave us a comment below. Don't hesitate to really like this video if you really enjoy it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.